Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read a chapter called The World in a Whirl. The World in a Whirl. You can see here picture, The World in a Whirl. So first let us read this written here, which is written here. This writing which is written here. So let us read. This extract is from Gerald Durrell autobiography. So what is this extract from? Means this story is extract from Gerald Durrell autobiography. Means this poet, this story's poet is Gerald Durrell. Okay. My family and other animals Durrell also lived in Corfu. Okay, so they also lived in Corfu, and he was an expert in studying animals. When he was 10 years old, his family moved to Corfu. So when he was 10 years old, his family, so whose family? Yes, Gerald Durrell's family moved to Corfu and England in Greece to live with Durrell's older brother. So who is the older brother of Durrell's? Yes, you're right, Larry. Larry was the elder brother of Durrell. It was here that Durrell began to collect and keep animals as pets. So we have completed this reading. Let us start this story. So our story began. The crumbling wall that surrounds the garden alongside the house was a rich hunting for me. So what was the rich hunting? Yes, the crumbling wall that surrounds the garden. It was an ancient brick wall that had been plastered over, but now this outer screen was green with moss, bludging and sagging with the damp of many winters. The whole surface was an intricate map of cracks, some several inches wide, others as fine as hair. Here and there large pieces had dropped off and revealed the row of rose pink bricks lying beneath. So beneath means down. You can see here is rose pink written, rose pink bricks. So when the wall cracks, you can always imagine that there is a rose pink in the bricks. Inhabitants of the wall were a mixed lot, and they were divided into day and night. Workers, the hunters and the hunted. At night, the toads and gettocks were the hunters. So at night, who were the hunters? Yes, they were toads, gettocks. They were hunters at night. Their prey was the population of stupid, absent-minded crane flies, moths of all shapes and sizes, and rotten beetle. So this is the question comes now. What is the meaning of rotten beetle? Rotten beetle means a ladybird. Okay. Hurrying with their night's work. By day, it was difficult to tell the difference between the prey and the predators. Predators means we are not a predator, right? Predators are the hunters who kill us. Okay? Next, everything seemed to feed off everything else. The hunting wasp searched out caterpillars and what? Let us go to the next page and see. So, caterpillars and spiders. So, who? Caterpillars and spiders. Wait for just a minute. The spider hunted for flies. So the spider hunted for? Yes, They hunted for flies. The dragonfly fed off the spider and the flies, and the swift, multicolored wool lizard fed off everything. So, today till here. Next part will be given in next part. Thank you for watching this video.